To do a running stitch, bring the thread up from the back at the end of your stitching line. Come forward about a stitch length and pull the needle through. Then come about a stitch length away from there. Pull the thread through. And then another stitch length. Put the needle down through. You can also do what's called the sewing method. So you'll bring your needle up about a stitch length away again. And then you can put your needle down a stitch length away and then come back up a stitch length away. This allows you to work along the top of your canvas and not having to bring your hand from front to back over and over again. It can be a little tricky to get your stitches even until you get used to this method, but provides the same results. So whichever is easier for you. I'm getting towards the end here, so I'm just going to do one last stitch. Just try to make it even. This last one's going to be a little smaller, but I want to end with a stitch and not an open area. So there you have it. Then we'll flip it over. And then to tie it off, I just put the needle through like that. So I'll do it usually 2 or 3 times. So I pull the needle through, then I stick the thread through the needle through the thread, just like that. So pull your needle through the stitch, then put your needle through that hole. And then you'll just clip your thread.